Interesting table in which unfortunately we have like kind of civil war in Israel, again Orthodox against the Torah, we see it all over. Let us see a very important statement of a great rabbi over 1,000 years ago in Hebrew in Matityahu Glazerson Torah, which says Israel is no nation without its Torah. Now this was Rab Saadia Gaon, the genius of Saadia, the book was very famous. And in Wikipedia, what we see in Wikipedia, the following is about Israel, who was supposed to be light to the nation, is now without Torah, darkness. This is the situation here. So this Wikipedia about organized crime in Israel, you can read it. Now what they say, it is really frightening. Organized crime has increased dramatically in Israel since the 1990s and is described by its Israeli police as a booming industry. And then it carries on. Unfortunately, the organized crime groups have extended their activities in foreign countries like the United States, South Africa, and the Netherlands. According to a report by the Israeli police, drug trafficking of women for the purpose of commercial sexual exploitation, licit gambling, pirate funding session, and real estate are the major form of crime in the country. So a terrible situation, no doubt. It goes more and more. And definitely it is a result of no Torah, because if one keeps the Torah is against all these things. So let us see a table which really refers to the situation today, mainly to do with civil war. Yeah, brother war. Now, it is unfortunately, we see it in Hebrew, it is called Milchemet Achim. It is a war between brothers, between Jews, fighting one with the other, especially against the Torah, as we say. Now, we looked for the word in Hebrew, Milchemet Achim, the civil war, which is the war of the brothers in Israel, very small area, only 19 letters in a line, only books Deuteronomy, which is against our southern. And amazingly, it comes here with parallel words. We know what parallel words are significant in tables. Sof Umah, exactly what the genius of Saadia Gaon says, the end of a nation. Israel, it doesn't even Yimach Shem Israel, the name of Israel, like we can be brought out. Because the essence of Israel is Torah. There is no Torah, there is no Israel. Israel, the name of Israel means Israel, Yashar Ekel, straight with God. Yehudi, definitely to do with Torah, with God. So important table telling us what happened to a nation who really neglects its laws of the Torah, and unfortunately doing things against the Torah with the homosexualism, all many things, translating the Shabbat, desecrating the Shabbat, desecrating many other things. Unfortunately, this is what brings to this terrible news, as we saw the situation in Israel, which unfortunately one can read Wikipedia about the deterioration, the terrible situation, also among youth in Israel, a lot of crimes, murders almost every day, and all is as a result when there is no Torah, no going in the ways of the Torah, but imitating and copying the laws and ways of other nations.